Hi, Dan Topkis, the Rebel Health Crusader, and I'm here to bring you another health tip that is going to have a profound difference on your life. This one is about helping you to lose weight faster and easier without changing your diet, anything that you're eating, and also it's going to be able to give you a lot more energy. Sound too good to be true? Listen up, because this is really, really important. It's really simple, yet it's going to have a profound difference on your life. The tip that I'm talking about is about conscious eating. It's about bringing awareness to the food that you're eating, and that requires a few steps. The first step in order for you to be able to consciously eat is about taking your food away from any type of distractions whatsoever. So I don't know about you, but I've eaten in front of the computer or the television or on the phone several times. And when I have brought awareness to what I'm eating, and I bring my food away from that particular environment, it's going to maybe cause me some stress, or for certain it's going to be distracting to the process of chewing and eating. I have had a profound difference in my energy, and I get fuller a lot faster on less food, and so will you. So how does this work? Well, first of all, let me tell you about why it works, okay? It takes 20 minutes for your hypothalamus to get the signal from your stomach to allow your body and your brain to know that you're full. So basically, when you're chewing more and slowing down with the food that you're eating, you're going to allow the signal from your brain, from your stomach to your brain, to signal to you that you're full. And what a lot of people do is they end up eating way too quickly. They're only chewing 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 15 times, and if you're eating too quickly, you're not going to allow that signal to be able to occur, so that you know that you're actually full and that you're satiated. Okay, so that's why a lot of people, after they're done eating, they're still hungry, because they haven't chewed their food enough. When you do this, you're going to be able to lose weight without changing any of your food. You're also going to be able to improve digestion. Okay, so when you improve digestion, you're going to be able to have a lot greater energy. And why is that? The reason is because digestion has a huge energy requirement for your body. It's a very complex process that requires a lot of enzymes. And the more you chew your food and break it down, the less your body has to work in order to digest and assimilate your food. So this is really, really important, because digestion begins in the mouth, especially for carbohydrates. And the more you chew your food, again, the less your body will have to break down that food in order for you to digest it and assimilate it and absorb it. So if your body has to work a lot less, you're going to have greater energy. And guess what? When you have greater energy, chances are you're going to be in a better mood. And if you're in a better mood, you won't gravitate towards unhealthier foods, and you won't look to stuff down feelings. What exactly do I mean by conscious eating? I want you to focus on eating your food away from all the distractions that I spoke about earlier. And I'm going to describe exactly what this looks like. You're going to take your food and you're going to take it to a particular area, maybe at your table, kitchen table, and I want you to clear all of the things off of your kitchen table. So that includes papers, anything that would be a distraction to you. And I would like you to put there, if you choose to do so, you can add a spiritual environment to. Perhaps you might want to light a candle, you can put some flowers, anything that you find appealing to the eye, anything that's going to bring some type of consciousness, any type of beautification to your particular environment. And you're going to focus on eating. You're going to focus on picking up your utensil and putting it in your mouth. And then you're going to focus on chewing. And I want you to put your utensil down between bites. So when you chew, you're really going to chew. And then after you're done chewing, that is the only time you're allowed to pick up your utensil, your fork or your spoon, and put more food in your mouth. Because there's a lot of people, when you're unconscious, you don't realize it, but you're actually putting more food in your mouth while you still haven't swallowed the bite of food that you're eating. Okay, this is really, really important. I don't want you to take this lightly. I'm telling you, this is going to have a profound difference in your life if you do it. The third thing that you can do is you can eat with chopsticks. Okay, and by eating with chopsticks, you'll be able to slow down the process of eating, and you'll be able to In fact, a lot of people will put less food on using chopsticks than they would be able to on a fork or a spoon. So if you're putting less food, you're going to be able to easily chew your food a little bit better and masticate it and chew it down as much as possible. And then the fourth one is about putting less food on your fork or your spoon if you can eat with a fork or a spoon. So by putting less food, like with chopsticks, you're going to be able to chew your food a lot easier. Okay? So this is an easy tip that you can do. And just remember, go easy on yourself, because like anything, this is a practice and a habit that takes time to do over time. So if you don't want to start with 25 chews, you can start with 20. But just bring some awareness to your food. Take your food away from all distractions. Bring it to a nurturing environment. And you're going to see a profound difference. You're going to be able to lose weight faster and easier with very little effort whatsoever, not really changing your diet whatsoever, and you're going to have greater energy. So this is Dan Topkis. I hope you use this. This is going to have a profound difference in your life. And if you want my free newsletter, if you want some metabolism boosting secrets that can help you lose weight in a healthy way, go to metabolismboostingsecrets.com, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for being here.